Good day everyone, I am from Week 6 and today I am going to show you on what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. The first thing that you should do before a volcanic eruption is to develop an evacuation and communication plan. Designate a meeting spot outside the hazard zone and choose an out-of-town contact person everyone can check in with. Ensures your family can find each other and communicate if separated. Next is build an emergency kit. Gather essential supplies for at least 3 to 7 days. Include water, food, flashlights, extra batteries, and essential medication. Next is stay informed and charge devices. Know your local warning signals and the evacuation routes. Keep phones, tablets, and power banks fully charged in case of sudden power outage.
Gather protective gear. Acquire N95 respirators for every person in your household to protect lungs from fine volcanic ash.
Next is protect important documents and valuables. The first thing that we should do during a volcanic eruption is to follow evacuations orders immediately. Leave the area at once if local authorities tells you to evacuate. Next is avoid driving in ashfall. Do not drive unless necessary. If you must drive, proceed very slowly. Keep your windows up and do not use air conditioning.
The moment ash begins to fall, your single most immediate action is to seal your environment. You must close all windows and doors immediately and tightly. This stops the primary threat, which is volcanic ash. Ash is made of microscopic, razor-sharp particles of rock and glass that are highly dangerous to inhale. Protecting your face and eyes is crucial during ashfall. Volcanic ash can seriously harm your lungs and sight, so you must wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth. During an eruption, the situation changes fast. Listening to emergency information is your lifeline. You must know where to tune in. Use your television or a cell phone for updates as long as they are working.
This is what you must do after a volcanic eruption. Wait for the official to announce that it's safe to go outside. Next is check for any casualties or damages that can be found in your home. Next, clean up the ash falls.
Next is manage food and water contamination. Next, clear water and drainage system.
And that is all. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.